today we're going to be making gumbo. What we're going to put in it is some crab legs, some shrimp, some canned oysters. We got some okra, and right here I have bell peppers. I have onions, cilantro. We're going to do some corn. I just broke them up. They were fresh corn, and also some red potatoes. And over here I have my celery that I'm going to also chop up. And then in this pan back here, I have some chicken legs that's cooking right now. So yeah, I have this chopper right here that I use to cut up all my vegetables. So I'll be using this. And this is my first thing that I cut up so far. So that's why I like using this vegetable cutter. I'm not going to say a vegetable cutter, but it's just a chopper that cuts up whatever you need cut. So, all right. And then we're also going to put some sausage in there. So I'm going to go into my next thing, you guys. And it's going to be celery, of course. I have them soaking here. I'm going to cut this up. I'm going to use half of that. And with the okra, I'm not going to use the whole thing of okra. I'm going to use half of the okra. And I'm going to use all of this onion. So, you guys, stay tuned so you can see how we make this delicious. Okay, guys, so now I'm on to my onions. I'm going to put it in my chopper to make them smaller, make them even. And then my okra will be next. I think that's about it because I already have my corn. I just broke them. And the potatoes, we're just going to throw them in there. I think that's it. And of course we have cilantro, and all I have to do is just pull them off. And I'm going to rinse them off with water, of course. And I think that's it. Got the chicken cooking in the back. Alright guys, so I'm finished with the onions. Now I'm onto the celery. So I'm going to be chopping up the celery into small pieces. And then I'm going to do the cilantro. Or I think I'm going to wait for the cilantro. But I'm pretty much done with cutting up everything, you guys. So yeah. And then my husband will do the rest. I don't really know how to make the gumbo, but when I tell you it's so delicious, you guys. So y'all just stay tuned, be patient. We're gonna finish getting all this stuff together. And like I said, we have some crab legs here, some shrimp, some sausage, and then we're gonna use some canned oysters. And yeah, that's pretty much it, and we'll show you guys the end result when we're finished. And once he starts putting everything in, I also will show you that too. But other than that, I'm gonna finish chopping up this, and then I'm gonna see what else I need to do. So I hope you guys are enjoying this video, and yep, just stay tuned to see how it turned out. So now I cut up my okra. I didn't use my chopper, of course. And we didn't use a lot of okra. Only reason is, you know, okra gets really slimy. Ugh. So we just used half of these. And then right here, let me show you guys, where I have onion, celery, and bell pepper at right here. And you see how it's even all the way around? So that's why I like to use my chopper, you guys. Now I'm going to just wait for my husband because I'm finished with this. So, look, you guys. Okra's going to go in. The vegetables are going to go in. We got not crawfish, but crab legs right here. So we're just going to break them off and throw them in there. And then we have our shrimp and sausage. And we're going to put some garlic in there. We have our canned oysters. And we're going to use a little bit of cilantro. Also, some chicken broth. It's organic. And we have our corn and potatoes. And here's the mixture that my husband puts in there. I don't know what's all in there, but that's the mixture. And then, like I said, we have our chicken cooking right now. We're also going to put some bay leaves in there. So, yeah, I think that's about it, you guys. My husband's from the South, so he loves make spicy food. But this gumbo is not going to be that spicy because we have kids, of course. But I think that's about it. Now we're just going to see it come together. So you guys stay tuned and I will show you the steps of it coming together. Yeah. Okay, guys. So after chopping up all the vegetables, this is what we got right here. I'm starting with my meat next. I already chopped up the sausage right now. So when I finish pulling the crab legs apart, actually this is gonna be my next thing I'm gonna do is pull the crab legs apart. Sorry, guys. And this right here is also crab legs. So that's what I'm about to do. Okay, guys. So I pulled the crab legs apart. It's yummy. So now I'm gonna work on the shrimp that's right here. I'm gonna put this in a bowl and devein it. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but take the vein, the little vein thing out, and yeah, clean it, peel it, all that good stuff. Okay, so see my vegetables, our sausage. I know it's a little bit of sausage. We just used what we had in the refrigerator. But here's our shrimp. I peeled them already. And here's our crab legs. And here's our corn and potatoes. And then we're going to put oysters in it. And then here's our mixture, you guys. That's our seasoning. And we're also doing it outside. But I'll show you guys that when it's time. Okay, so now we're going to dump the sausage in the pot. Next is the crab legs. I don't want to get too close, but this is so far what it looks like. Alright, now we have the vegetables. It wouldn't be gumbo without the vegetables. Here it goes. Woo! Look at that, look at that. Look at that goodness. So delicious. Now we're going to drop the shrimps.
So in addition to the chicken that we first boiled, we did not use seafood stock at all. We made our own stock. So this will be a part of the stock that we're making. In addition to that, we're adding oysters. Normally I don't use the oysters in a can. I use original, authentic oysters, but for now I'm just going to use these.
Fresh oysters, yeah. This is the clean one.
But what's gumbo without the oysters? So when you think of seafood stock, it's all about the seafood. So if you're already adding it, why buy the stock? So we already added our seasonings. I understand you might want to know what the seasonings are, but I want you to understand this is gumbo. I just can't give you that flavor. You might got to figure it out, but at the same time, this is the last portion of our gumbo. It wouldn't be gumbo without our veggies that we're going to be adding to it, along with our potatoes and our corn.
Ooh, look at that goodness. Oh my gosh. I'm going to show y'all. Let me get up close. I just don't want it to splash me. Now we just got to let it cook. As you can see, we're outside doing this too. So. Yummy. Look at that.
So
how long is this going to take to cook down?
I like to show, I like to get everything simmering. Everything's inside the gumbo right now. This is everything complete before. I am not going to be adding any flour to make it thicker. This is just going to be based off the juices that we're cooking it in. But the flavor, you would have to be here to taste it. And trust me, I'm from the boot, and the flavor is there.
Oh yeah, it really is.
So for the last ingredients that I add to my gumbo, I add the bay leaves. This is something that I really try not to mixed within. I like to put it on top so you don't mess around and crunch or chew on the bay leaf. Once I cook it inside and to get the flavor, I try to remove the bay leaves from my gumbo. Who wants to chew on the leaf?
Okay, guys, so we're about to take this off. It's all cooked. So I'll show you. I'll show you when we get the rice done how it looks. So we got some crab legs, potatoes, corn, all that good stuff. Well, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And thanks for watching.